This App4Sales training will explain how to start ordering, send orders, and view the order history. Press Order in the main menu. The order screen is shown. When creating an order, a customer needs to be selected. This can be done by pressing the customer icon or by pressing Select Customer. The customer overview is loaded and a customer can be selected. Press Order and the catalog will be loaded. You can immediately start adding items to the order. Customers can also be selected after adding items to the order. At the customer card, the button To Order will be shown. When the wrong customer has been selected, the correct customer can be selected through the customer overview. Press the button To Order. A warning will appear and the customer will be replaced. You will return to the order screen. The order screen shows information about the selected customer. When pressing the customer icon, detailed information will be shown. A different contact person can be selected for the order by pressing the name. With the catalog button, you can continue adding items to the order. At the top right of the screen, it is possible to see how many items or order lines the order contains. You will return to the order by pressing the item basket. From the order screen, items can be removed from the order. This can be done by dragging the order line to the left of the screen. The Delete button will appear. It is also possible to remove items by pressing the order line. A pop-up window will appear where adjustments can be made. When Delete is being pressed, a warning will appear. After confirming, the item will be removed from the order. Underneath the order details, it is possible to view the complete order costs. The delivery date can be adjusted to the desired date. Press Done to select the date. It is possible to add a reference to the order. This will be shown on the order confirmation. It is not only possible to manually add products to the order, items can also be scanned and be added to the order. Mobile scanners can be bought from optimizers, or you can purchase them yourself. Press the button Scan Items. The following screen will appear. Make sure your scanner is connected with your tablet. Within App4Sales, barcodes can be scanned. Scanned items will appear within the screen. It is also possible to manually fill in the EAN or item code. After pressing Enter, the item will appear within the screen. Press Done to return to the order screen. The button More shows different options for the order. Within your ERP, it is possible to adjust different prices or discounts for a customer. With the Load Customer Price button, the specific prices can be retrieved. A customer needs to be selected to make this option work. The Note button provides the ability to add extra notes to the order. Different descriptions for the order can be filled in. The notes and descriptions are being synchronized with your ERP system. It is also possible to adjust a discount to the complete order. This discount will be applied to the subtotal of the order. The complete order can be deleted by pressing the Recycle Bin icon. A confirmation window will appear before the order is being deleted. When your customer wishes to deliver the order at a different address, it is possible to change the address with the Alternative Delivery Address button. Alternative addresses will be shown when provided within the App4Sales portal. Different addresses can be filled in along with the country code. The submitted address is being synchronized with your ERP. It is possible to preview the order before it's being sent. This can be done with the Preview button. The order can be emailed or printed before being sent to the back office. Images can be added to the order as an attachment. A picture can be made with the camera or be selected from already made images in the library. The images are being synchronized with your ERP system and the App4Sales portal. You can delete an image by holding it. A pop-up window will appear where confirmation is being asked. After the order is being sent, the images will appear as an attachment to the order confirmation. When you are finished adding images, press Done. To validate an order, it is possible to add a signature. Add a signature with a stylus or with your finger. Hold the gray area for several seconds and the signature will disappear. In portrait mode, a button will be made visible which can be pressed to add a signature. Press Done to confirm the signature. When items are being added to the order after signing, a new signature is required. The order can be sent by pressing the Sent Order button. A pop-up will appear for confirmation of sending the order. The order will appear in your ERP system. After successfully sending the order, an order confirmation is shown. Here, you can view the PDF of the order and the attachments. From the main menu, it is possible to view the order history of every customer. Press the Order History button. Every order sent from your device can be viewed. Orders older than 30 days can be removed from the list. From the customer overview, a customer can easily be found with the search bar. All sent orders from the customer will be shown. Within this overview, it is possible to search for a specific order. This can be done through the order number, order description, or the added reference. Orders can be viewed and copied to the order screen. An already sent order can easily be ordered again. Orders can be saved from within the order screen. This way, it is possible to continue editing or adding items to the order later on. When saving the order, it is possible to choose if the order is complete or incomplete. The order will be saved and a confirmation will appear on the screen. Saved orders can be viewed from the main menu from the item Show Stored Orders. Orders will be sorted by complete and incomplete. When a saved order is being opened, it is possible to copy, edit, delete, or view a preview of the order with the contents. From the Complete Stored Orders overview, it is possible to send all orders at the same time. When there is no internet connection, you can save all your orders as complete, and once there is an active internet connection available, it is possible to send all your orders.